Welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer World. Today we'll see how to draw different shapes in Scratch. Let's start with square. So click on the events and select when flag is clicked. Now I want to draw something on the stage. For drawing you should always use a pen command. Okay, so you have to keep your pen down. When you will keep your pen down, then only drawing will appear on the stage. Now we want to give a motion. For drawing a square you need 4 sides. Okay, so that sprite should move that step. So move 100 steps. Just double click onto this 10 and write down 100 number. Okay, next is you have to take a turn of 90 degrees. So move this control over here, turn 15 degrees and edit it. Double click on this and edit it. Type down 9090 from the keyboard. Okay, you have to repeat the same procedure 4 times so that you will find the square on the stage. Again I will take move 100 steps. So double click on this and write down 100 and take a turn of 90 degrees. Okay, again we will use the same command, move 100 steps and take a turn of 90 degrees. Again one more time, move 100 steps and take a turn of 90 degrees. Now children will run this. Let's see what's coming on the stage. I'm getting my output. I'm getting square on the stage. Now children, if I will just move this sprite here and if I will click on the run button, what will happen? See, I'm getting one more square, but I don't want 2 squares on the screen. I want to clear the first one. When I will move my sprite to the another location, the first drawing should get erased. For that you have to use a clear command from the pen block and click on run now. Now see, if I will move this sprite and if I will run this, I will have another square and the previous square will get erased with this clear command. Okay, now the another way. This is the first way to draw a square. Now let's see another way, shortcut, how to draw a square. We will not take this. All commands will not take. We will use a control, repeat control. Now we are going to use repeat. How many sides are there for square? 4 sides. So repeat 4 times. 4 times. Then go into the motion and move 100 steps. Edit it. Double click on it and write down 100 from the keyboard. Move 100 and take a turn of 90 degrees. Double click and edit it 90. Now also you can run this and see the output. See, I'm getting a square again. I'll just move this sprite. See, both the codes executes same. I hope we have cleared about this concept. Now let's draw another shape. Now children, we'll draw triangle. Okay, I'll just click on the file new. Take an event when flag is clicked. I want to draw triangle, so I need 3 sides. So move 100 steps. You can take any steps as per your choice. Move 100 steps and take a turn of 120. Okay, for triangle we use 120 turn. Now let's take one more time. Move 100 steps. 3 times you have to repeat the procedure because triangle is having 3 sides. Move 100, take a turn of 120. Again one more time, move 100 steps and take a turn of 120 degrees. Now try to run this. See what's happened. Nothing is appearing on the screen. Why is it so? Because we have not done pen down. So go into the pen block and select pen down command. Now run this. Let's see. Yes, we are getting our triangle on the screen. Right? Now if I will move this sprite position and if I try to draw another triangle, yes, I am getting another triangle again. But I don't want two triangles on the screen. So I have to use a clear command. Now let's see. Now I'll get only one triangle. And what is another way to do this? How to do this in the another way? I'll just move these blocks again into the blocks palette. And we will use a control now. Control repeat. Repeat. We want to draw a triangle. So how many times we are going to repeat? We are going to repeat it for 3 times. 3 times. We are going to move the sprite. Right? So move how many steps? Here 100 steps. Okay? And triangle turn is how much? Turn of the triangle is 120 degrees. Okay? So now run this. You are getting triangle on the screen again. Same coding. But 2 ways you can perform the same coding. Okay? So how to draw a triangle is clear to everyone? Let's see how to draw a pentagon. See now children, understand about the sides first. Okay? I'll just explain you. File new. Pentagon is having 5 sides. So we have to think about the sides and the angle. Okay? So click onto the when flag is clicked. Use a clear button and pen down. Then go into the control. Take a repeat block. Repeat. Pentagon is having 5 sides, so repeat 5 times. Okay. Now what you have to do? How to measure the angle that we are going to see into this session. Okay. Go into the motions. First of all, we are going to give a move. Okay. We are going to give a move. You can give a move for 100 steps again. Okay. But turn is very important here. How to calculate the turn? You have to think about the full circle first. Full circle is having 360 degrees angle. Now you have to divide that 360 degrees by 5. So 360 divided by 5 is 72. So we have to take angle of 72 degrees. Double click onto this and edit it 72. Now let's run this. Yes, we are getting our pentagon. Very good. Now let's edit here only. If I want to draw a hexagon, so what I have to do? I have to repeat it for 6 times. Move steps 100 is clear. Turn. Now how much turn I have to take for hexagon? Divide a 360 by 6. So the angle is 60 degrees. Right? 6 6 are 36. And this one 0. 360. So now run this. I'll get a hexagon on the screen. Okay. If I want to draw octagon, then what I have to do? I have to repeat it for 8 times. 8 times. Move 100 steps and turn. You have to divide 360 by 8. 360 by 8 is 360 divided by 8 is 45. So angle is 45. Run this. Let's see. We are getting octagon. Okay. Just I'll move this up and I'll run one more time. We are getting octagon on the stage. Okay. If you want to draw a decagon, then you have to repeat 10 times. Angle 360 divided by 10. How much? 36. So 36 degrees angle. Now just run this and let's see. Yes, we are getting a decagon on the screen. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed this how to draw a shapes into the Scratch. If you want to see more videos related to Scratch, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.